When I was a little girl, I was a big fan of Mulan. Mulan had cool moves. She did high kicks while soaring into the air. And my mom promised me that if I eat all of my vegetables, then I can be as smart and strong as Mulan. While my mom wrongly predicted my Mulan transformation, perhaps she might be onto something. Because what if I told you that exposure to certain food or even air particles during infancy produces a reaction in our body's immune system and may influence how our brains develop? Specifically, when a child eats a certain food or inhales a particle in the air like a flower pollen, our immune system might react by displaying these antibodies in our immune cells called immunoglobulin E or IgE. When this IgE is displayed, sometimes, but not always, one may experience an allergic reaction like rashes or hives. Research supports that this reaction in the immune system may be the connection between atopic or food sensitization and an infant's brain development. Which brings me to my research question. How does this immune reaction, particularly food or atopic sensitization, influence an infant's neurodevelopment? And to answer this question, we collected sensitization data from children at 1 year of age, and we examined neurodevelopmental scores at 1 and 2 years, particularly in four areas: cognitive, language, motor, and socio-emotional scores. And our findings reveal that an association only exists in male infants. Specifically, atopic and food sensitization at 1 year was associated with reduced 1 year socio-emotional scores. Now, why might socio-emotional development be significantly affected? While we are yet to uncover the exact reason, research has supported that a stressful post-pregnancy experience might harm the bond between mom and baby and consequently the child's socio-emotional development. Therefore, our findings strongly promote adequate mental health support for mothers and their families during the whole pregnancy period. So perhaps my mom was not completely wrong after all. Feeding me vegetables did not turn me into a superhero like Mulan, but perhaps it strengthened my immune and cognitive development, allowing me to present this 3MT today. And I think that still counts. So thank you everyone for listening to my presentation.